This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Detach the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Loosen the right front wheel lug nuts. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the right front wheel. Remove the right front fender well splash shield fasteners and splash shield. Loosen the drive belt tension by inserting a 1/2-inch drive ratchet or breaker bar into the tensioner hole. Then pull the handle to release the drive belt tension. Remove the drive belt from the pulleys. Unscrew the tensioner mounting bolts a few turns. Then pull the tensioner away from the engine to allow drive belt removal. Loosely install the new drive belt back onto the accessory pulleys, making sure to route the belt in its proper orientation. Reinstall the tensioner. Tighten the mounting bolts to 18 foot-pounds. Pull the tensioner back again to fit the drive belt into place, making sure that the belt is seated properly on the pulleys. Install the right front fender well splash shield. Install the right front wheel and lug nuts. Safely raise the vehicle, remove the jack stands, then lower the vehicle. Tighten the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Reconnect the cable to the negative battery terminal.